Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart REALME C71. Okay, so let's begin. In the beginning I would say that we have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first one and the most common one is a simple reboot using the power menu. To do it we need to open up the power menu first. So let's tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Just like that, now the power menu appeared. Now simply drag this white ball into the restart. Now release your finger, then your device will be turned off, then turned on automatically, and you will be ready to use your device. And now let me show you the second method, which is called the force restart, and it's recommended when the phone is unresponsive and when we cannot perform the reboot from the power menu. So to do it we need to hold power button and volume up button until the screen goes off and until the REALME logo appears. So let's keep on holding. It's gonna take a little bit, so don't worry, simply be patient. Or something weird actually happened. Let's try again. Hold both of the buttons. Okay, the screen went black. And when the phone vibrates and when the REALME logo appears, we can release our fingers. And now, just like in the previous method, within a few seconds the phone will be turned on automatically and ready to use. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.